2 years ago. Sharaf DG opens new branch in Al Jimmy Mall. I heard they will give free gifts when you purchase during their opening day. Pray to win and wish for this washing machine. So right after my work I went to check what they have. That time I was planning to buy iPad for our daughter's birthday gift and laptop for Lolo O. Thereafter paying, they will give you a box where you will pick any free gifts. Won this washing machine, not only one but two washing machine. Feeling so lucky that day. Thank you, Sharaf DG, for this wonderful blessings. And that was 2 years ago. Thank you, Sharaf DG, Al Jimmy branch.